Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a quick haul. I ran into Hobby Lobby and I also stopped in Joann's the other day, and I just wanted to share with you what I picked up. So let's jump right in. The first thing that I picked up from Hobby Lobby was this set of Merry Christmas dies from Sizzix. I saw these the first go round, and when I went in, I think this week they were 40% off, so I went ahead and picked them up. And this is 663171, and it's called Christmas Phrases. There's two different ones, but I especially liked these phrases right here, so I went ahead and picked that up. And then I found these in the Christmas section. They're candy pieces, and the candy or the Christmas crafts are 50% off this week, so I picked these up because I think I want to use them either on a big rosette or a pinwheel, something for my craft fair that I'm working on. I haven't quite yet figured out what I'm going to do, but I'm going to try to incorporate it some kind of way. And then I found these really pretty they're snowflakes. So they're acrylic snowflakes, and they have, let me just zoom in. If you can see that it has really pretty like iridescent glitter on them. They're so pretty, and they were half off. So highly recommend you guys pick those snowflakes up because they're so pretty. And then I also found these flat back ones, and they're just with glitter, and they are absolutely gorgeous as well. And those were 50% off too. And then I picked these chipboard pieces up. They're chipboard Christmas words. I picked this up from Joann's the other day. I just used a coupon, but I just love the little different ones. This one says Dreaming of a White Christmas. And then they have wishes and magical, December, just a bunch of different ones. And I just especially like the little font with all the little different Christmas sayings. And yeah, so we can definitely incorporate these into several different Christmas crafts this season. So that is my quick haul. I hope you guys are having a great day. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.